Hey there, speculators. My name's Rod, the Futures Fanatic. Welcome back to the channel. Futures Fanatic is part of Traders Dev Group. That's my company where I provide education for active futures traders and self-directed investors. Okay, many of you are waiting for this. I'm going to do the drawing. I was going to do it live stream, but it just didn't work out. Happy Sunday, by the way. I'm going to do a recorded live drawing for the giveaway that Elite Trader Funding did as part of their launch special last week. By the way, if you're coming into the middle of this movie, Elite Trader Funding is, I'm on the dashboard right here, is a new entrant into the online futures funding business and industry, if you will. And they are the first, other than TopStep, to launch with support for Tradeovate and TradingView, very popular web-based platforms that many of you love to trade on. So if you missed this and missed the 75% launch and are looking for a code, I have one here for you. It's TDG Best Deal, and that's going to be 40% off lifetime. So your entire lifetime of your subscription, 40% off, and you can trade that on Tradeovate, TradingView, NinjaTrader, any of the supported platforms at Elite Trader Funding. So make sure you take advantage of that. That's good all through May. So you have some time, but if you wanted to pick up some additional accounts, you can go ahead and do that. Before I do the drawing, I really quickly wanted to just show you my 5 accounts here. Not that my progress or status really matters, but we talk about at TDG the importance of going slow, no rush, no resets, and the power of the micros when you're going through these programs. The notional value of 100K or 50,000 is really not that meaningful. What's meaningful is the amount of risk that you're given. And in a $50,000 account, you're given $2,000 worth of risk. And in a $100,000 account, you're given $3,000 worth of risk. So that's really the size of your accounts. And I wanted to point something out really quickly, which is that this account right here, which is my $100,000 account, has a balance of $100,790. And that sounds like, okay, great, you're making some small progress there. But I actually have a self-imposed restriction from trading this account anymore. And no, it's not blown up. But it is very, very close to the max trailing drawdown. It only has about $200 or $300 left. Okay, so one of the practices that I talk about with members of TDG and that I would highly suggest that people implement for themselves is this concept of no matter what, never blowing up an evaluation. If you get very close, we all know it. We can see on the screen. Some folks like to complain that they don't know where that trailing drawdown is, but I've done other videos on how to find the trailing drawdown. And one of the benefits of Elite Trader Funding is you get a free reset when you renew your subscription. So this subscription renews on 5/28, which is in a couple weeks from the time I'm making this video. And at that time, even though the account's not locked, okay, the way this works is if you've blown up an account and you're just patient, you wait till your your subscription renews, you're actually going to get your account automatically reset. But one of the benefits of not allowing it to blow up if you get very close is just the discipline of never having that emotional capital drain. I cannot emphasize enough how you do not want to get desensitized or immune to the fact that this is just demo dollars playland, because at some point it can actually become access to the ability to earn live real money off of it, in which your mental state will completely change if you're doing the evaluations in a different way. Okay, so while this looks like it's an account that's making good progress, I have self-imposed the fact that I can't trade it anymore. And when my subscription renews on 5/28, which I'm paying for these, by the way, as well, they do not give these to me, I will pay my subscription and I will send an email to support asking them to reset my account, even though it's not blown up. Okay, under other circumstances, if you're making good progress and you're close to your profit objective, obviously just pay your subscription, continue on, and you don't need to reset those, right? Or you don't want to reset those. But if you're close to that, okay, those that know, I've spent enough time on that. You're here for the drawing. But I did want to emphasize that there's a free reset if you are in a locked out status. You violated a rule. Just wait for your subscription to renew. All right, here's how I'm going to do the actual drawing. I'm going to use a random number generator over here, and instead of doing one of those comment drawing things or where I upload everyone's email. So I have a list of all of the entrants, and this list is 1,930 rows long. You'll just have to trust me on that. I don't want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. So I'm going to put in 1930. There we go. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with 2 runners up, which will be like 5th and 4th place, and these runners up are going to get a $100,000 free first month subscription to an Elite Trader Funding one-step account. Okay, so that'll be free first month. You can go through the evaluation, and then we'll get into our grand prize kind of stuff, which is going to be a funded Elite Trader account, free for the first month of that too. So it's a true giveaway. All right, so let's do it. We're going to get a random number. We're going to generate it. And the winner of Our first fifth place is going to be 427. I'll do this in post-production where I pull up the name, and I'm sure some of you know how to jump to a row or column. I'm pretty crappy with Excel, so you just have to deal with it. All right, 427 is Cagerat. Cagerat, you are the winner of a $100,000 evaluation first month. Congratulations. Confetti. Poppers, let's go. All right, let's get our fourth prize winner. Another $100,000 free first month is 1835. 1835. Sorry if I get a little hot on the mic there. 1835. That's way down near the bottom. So, and by the way, we have all of with multiple entrants here. If you bought multiple subscriptions, and this also includes the renewals. 1835 is DS Schultz 7. 1835. Congratulations. All right, now we get into the real fun ones. This is going to be a $25,000 elite account. Okay, you're right in the money. You do have to trade for at least 30 days. Go slow and steady. Use micros like we teach and train on at TDG and the Futures Fanatic Foundation course, which, by the way, you can get for absolutely free. Check the description down below. It's a 30-video course. It only costs you your email. Please put in a valid email if you want access to it. And that'll show you a lot about how we get through these programs, and we've had hundreds and hundreds of people get through various online futures programs. By the way, if you don't yet have an Elite Trader Funding account, you can get one for 40% off lifetime using code TDG Best Deal. That's TDG Best Deal. All right, here's the $25,000 drawing. Drum roll, please. Get this random number, and it is 1405. Man, we're down in the lower quadrant here of our 1900 list. 1405 is, wait for it, hold on. By the way, so you can see this is just like a raffle. If you put more tickets in there, you have a chance. But look at that. That's one line. Kenny Mill 88, 1405. Kenny Mill 88 is the winner of a $25,000 elite funded account. Let's just double check. 1405. That's right. Kenny Mill 88. All right. Now we're going to go with our $50,000. This is second price, $50,000. Here we go. 523. 523 is going to be, let's see. All righty. 523. We're getting close. 523. Another single entrance. lawrenjw 523. You're the winner of a $50,000 elite account. That's a funded account that you can begin trading probably as early as tomorrow. I can't guarantee that, folks. So you're going to probably have to give us a day or two to notify the winners, get you out your information. I got to coordinate with the folks over at Elite Trader Funding on how they want to do this. But you should definitely be able to access this stuff this week. All right, and our final drawing is going to be for a $100,000. No evaluation, directly pass go, collect all your money, whatever the case may be. Get started. Here we go. Random number generated. 882. 882. Who is the winner of our $100,000 elite account? 882 is, I'm watching this on the screen over here with you guys. 882 is One Lot. There you go. Johnny One Lot. One Lot Trade ET. You are the winner. 882. You are the winner of a $100,000 Elite Trader Funding account. All right, thanks to everybody that participated. I hope you're really enjoying the program. The feedback has been very, very positive. There were a couple minor issues getting everybody up because as you can see, how many people signed up right away. So you can still participate in this program, Elite Trader Funding, using code TDG Best Deal. And that'll get you 40% off lifetime, which is a pretty good deal as well. You're not going to see anything like that from Top Step in terms of these types of discounts. The benefits of Elite Trader Funding, they use micros the proper way, so you get the full allotment of micros. You can trade up to 10 different accounts. I do other videos here on the channel as to why you might want to trade multiple accounts. The better you are, the more payouts you could potentially earn by having more accounts. So that's a huge benefit. And it's only a one-step evaluation. So unlike Top Step where you do these two things. And please don't believe that silliness about the payout structure at Top Step being faster. Yes, it's potentially faster, but you have to line everything up so perfectly to take one of those payouts that I did an entire video here on how to think about these payouts in a really different way and to invest your time in honing the skill and really learning how to be a trader as opposed to trying to race through these things and be all high and mighty about how good you are and how quickly you would be able to access this money and get access to it, and all that good stuff. You can watch this other video. I won't get into it here. But again, congratulations to our winners. That is going to be number 427, number 1835, number 1405, number 523, and number 882. I'll put them back all up here on the screen. Happy Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your day. You can start actually trading the futures markets today at 6 p.m. Eastern. They open up 6 p.m. Eastern on Sunday nights. If it's your first time here to the channel, you want to learn more about the best market for active day trading. In fact, if you're going to call or consider yourself a day trader or an active trader, you can only trade the futures markets, not Forex, not crypto, not stocks. Yes, you can try those, but futures were made for active intraday day trading. They exist for speculation and hedging. You can go long, you can go short. There's no pattern day trader requirement. There's infinite reasons why you should look into the futures markets. One of which, of course, is the fact that companies like Elite Trader Funding and many others are giving you access without taking a test, without making a deposit, to potentially earn money from a very, very small initial investment, which is just a subscription in one of the programs. All right, that'll be it for tonight. Please like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications if you find this information useful. It really does help grow the channel, and we can get out the word about the beauty of futures. That'll be it. We'll see you at the next one. Thanks.